Hi, today in front of me Doogee T20 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So first launch the Google application and then tap on the right upper corner, then go to the settings and scroll down to the voice section. Tap to voice match and you'll see here Hey Google switcher. Just tap once on the switcher, then tap to more. Yes, I agree again, next, and we can see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. If you want our assistant to recognize your voice, you should just tap to voice model and click to retain voice model and say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, reminds me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. So then just tap to next, and you'll say now, hey Google, okay Google. Okay, we can see that this option successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.